Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Coming up in this video. Let's start. I want to make a helmet with yellow clay. You can watch my clay recipe tutorial video on my YouTube channel. Thank you. I used styrofoam to make helmet lighter and dry faster. I used wood glue to stick the clay to styrofoam. Wooden squares on both sides help to spread the clay evenly. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe. Thank you. After 2 days, when the pencil dries, I paint it with acrylic paint. You can watch the tutorial video of the handmade cutter on my YouTube channel that I make it with ثابت. If you like my video, please share it with your friends. Thank you. If you like my video, please press the like button. After 2 days, when the tape measure dries, I mark it. After 2 days, when the protractor is dry, I mark it. After 3 to 5 days, I spray with clear spray so that it can be washed. I draw an industrial map on the phone with a pen. To bake a cake, look at my pastry playlist. I have several videos there. I fix the items to the cake with a toothpick. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you.